गुड मॉर्निंग। बेटा हमने यस्टरडे पढ़ा था ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन के बारे में, ठीक है। ऑटो मीन्स सेल्फ एंड ट्रॉपिक मीन्स न्यूट्रिशन, ठीक है। इस टॉपिक को ज्यादा क्लियर करने के लिए हम जो है इसको आज स्मार्ट बोर्ड पे पढ़ेंगे, ताकि आप इस पे विजुअल्स भी देख सको और आपको ये टॉपिक जो है वो ज्यादा अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाए, ठीक है।
Self and trophic means nutrition, so it literally means self-nutrition. Autotrophic mode of nutrition is that mode of nutrition in which an organism makes its own food from the simple inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water present in the surroundings. The green plants have an autotrophic.
आपको डेफिनेशन बताई थी मैंने। Autotrophic mode of nutrition is that mode of nutrition in which organism makes its own food from simple inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water present in the surrounding, ठीक है।
Autotrophic mode of nutrition. The autotrophic cyanobacteria also obtain their food by the autotrophic mode of nutrition. So we can say
आप इसमें विजुअल्स भी देख सकते हो, ठीक है। आपको डिफरेंट जो है वो प्लांट्स दिखाए गए हैं जो किस कैटेगरी में आते हैं, और जिनका मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन क्या है, ऑटोट्रॉपिक, ठीक है। आपको विजुअल से ज्यादा क्लियर हो जाएगा।
that those organisms which can make their own food from carbon dioxide and water are called autotrophs. The autotrophic organisms contain the green pigment called chlorophyll, which is capable of trapping sunlight, solar energy. The trapped solar energy is utilized by the autotrophs to make food by combining CO2 and water by the process of photosynthesis and
आपको क्लियर हो गया ऑटोट्रॉपिक मोड का न्यूट्रिशन?
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
आज हम पढ़ेंगे ट्रिग्नोमेट्री रेशो के बारे में। इसमें आपका जो राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपका ये राइट एंगल है बेटा, ठीक है। ये एक्यूट एंगल बना है और जो राइट एंगल की जो सामने वाली साइड है ये हाइपोटेन्यूस है, ये आपकी ऑपोजिट साइड, इसको परपेंडिकुलर बोलते हैं, एंड ये आपका बेस है, ठीक है। बाकी आप स्मार्ट क्लास से पढ़ोगे।
CV. So, in this video, we will understand and learn the relationship between the sides and angles of a right angle triangle. How many ratios can be found if you calculate different combinations of ratios between the three sides of a triangle? Let's see. Now, if we write the ratio between the given sides, then we get these 6 ratios. Now, if we study the obtained ratios with respect to the angle C, we get these 6 trigonometric ratios, which we call sine of angle C, cosine of angle C, tangent of angle C, cosecant of angle C, secant of angle C, and cotangent of angle C respectively. And in short forms, we show these with sine C, cos C, tan C, cosec C, sec C.
Let's move on to understand the text first, and before we move on to read the text and understand, let me introduce Yukta, a student like you, and you learners, Yukta and me, will do this lesson today.
Hello.
So first lesson, as we have studied it earlier in the classroom, so we just recapitulated the class. We will revise the lesson. The writer of the story is Khushwant Singh, and the title of the story is Portrait of a Lady. What do you understand by portrait? What is the meaning of portrait? Portrait means picture. Picture. Okay? Here, the picture, it means the Khushwant Singh. It is the autobiography of Khushwant Singh, who is describing the story of his relation with his grandmother. With his grandmother. So he has described the character of his grandmother. The character and the story and his relationship with his grandmother has been described, you can say, divided into three sections. So phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. How did he spend the time with his grandmother? And the first phase, as you people already have studied, that they both lived in a village and shared their room. So Khushwant Singh's grandmother gets him ready for the school, gives him breakfast to eat and also accompany him up to the school. And in the free time, they also fed the street dogs, which follows them up to the school. But in the second part, when the Khushwant Singh joined an English medium school in a city, so he was provided a separate room over here. That was the second phase of their relationship. And here, grandmothers usually went to him to leave to him school. But in the city, he went to a bi-motor bus in the city. And secondly, when the grandmother heard, this teacher used to teach him the lesson on the principle of Archimedes and some lessons on science and music, in which the grandmothers could not help him. And secondly, she considers that the music is the business of lower people and it is not the business of a gentle or folk people. So that was the second phase of their relationship, and in the free time the mother used to feed sparrows instead of the street dogs. And the third period starts when the author Khushwant Singh went to university, and that time his